Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hopefully this will be the fastest staking video that I do, but I saw that I got another tranche of Lavita. It looks like about 3,500. 6 days ago, I guess. I harvested some of my other T-Fuel from places, and I see this now has a stake. I don't remember this button being here where it says stake. So I know Lavita has, or Lavita, whatever you want to call it, has a pretty good return. So we're going to go ahead and click on stake. We're going to go here, and the balance is 72, staked plus reward. So I'm going to say stake, all, stake, confirm. This could be something like T-drop, where you don't really have to have a validator node, guardian node, edge node, and just staking at lavita.ai. Confirm transaction. Okay, it looks like that it is staked. So let's go take a look and see if there is under stakes. It does not show it here, so I guess we go back to the wallet. We can go to stake, and we can see that it is staked. And so there we have it. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hopefully this was helpful. Take care.